Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable the Pro Search for your Perplexity AI account. Now let us begin. Denote that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, well, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to enable the Pro Search. Well, as you can see, this right here is the interface, and from here I can ask everything. And at the bottom right, you can see a button like this. Once I hover over it, it's gonna show me something like this. That is Pro Search. Simply toggle it on. And guys, that is it. That's how we enable Pro Search in Perplexity AI. Do note that we have 5 searches left today, and it reloads every 4 hours. In case you want more Pro Searches, what you guys can do is simply shift to Perplexity Pro subscription. And guys, that is it. That's how we enable Pro Search for Perplexity AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.